You know be anything beer where go touch your hand, where go put down for your mouth. You know be everything beer. You know be everything beer. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. This be celebrity what? Shower. Celebrity hour. Make I talk you something. If you not subscribe to the channel, you what? Too much GH. If you subscribe I'm right now. Because anything beer way they drop for social media beer. If you mean now where I can talk, where I come explain and show you where you go say go talk say you be so way you dey, no be so way you dey. That's why they talk you. Say what? Subscribe to what? Too much GH. Make you flow your parties. Broadway Charlie. Them day your body when they use smartphone. If you make that person want subscribe to what? Too much GH. You know the social media talk there. We dey talk 24/7. I thought say 24/7 there. They be here then. Yo, make I talk you what they go on. What they go on there Charlie today? They be manta. Western Togoland Blocks Road. And 500 new trained soldiers graduated from the West Togoland Military Academy. And we know the thing where they go on. If you don't know, I make I talk you. You know, say the Western Togoland, then they be part of what? They be part of Ghana. When they make them a mind say, Charlie, them no, they go tear them a body. They go tear them a body, say them now, they go take them a president, they go take them a king, then they go rule them a body. You know, they no be part of Ghana. Make I talk you people something. Ghana where we dey here no. If you spy the big sister, one of forefathers with them then look at the way they suffer. They suffer will give we say Charlie, they go pour them a blood, they go do things them, make Ghana and we go get independent, then we now we go make free and things. When you vote people, no Charlie, what you put, what they wrong you people? You want you want people. Make you not do your body say if you do what, tell your body I say you people they won't develop their things. If you God way they what, if they develop country, God give us sense where God program everything beer. Somebody work hard, but money pan the person no get. But somebody they work hard, but God in blessing where they what, if they make their best, the person what source for this life what inside. So the Togoland people know where they want say they want see the way they block, see the way police people then they hold them a flag. Togo land people say they want tear them about. Make a talk people, government make a talk. The people know when they do then they forget for them. You people for go there go what, go dismantle them, make them know say Charlie them what, then get rules and regulation for this Ghana here. If you constitution where Charlie if they govern you. You know, we now where we go feed them. Me too, I will tell my own. My own go be flamboyant lifestyle word. Then me too, I will gather some few people then test. Everybody acting up and I take the word. The Lord no put in and say the Lord need be you. The Lord need not be your own. The Lord need be you now where they what? If they govern we. See what you people they do. They block road. As I said earlier on. The road where people they block way, they burn ties and things. What's up? Ghana and tell them make I talk you something. Ghana where we day here no. It be what? It be peaceful country where we day. Make you not make any divided and things be happy. We dey election here too, Charlie. Make you not do this thing, politics and things. Charlie, not to talk the wrong matter. Because this thing, the what? It go all social media, then thing. You know social media to be global what? Village then thing where people they spy we, people they talk about things the way they go on for Ghana here. Charlie, so they what? The people where they what? The scripted and things, you know. You people for put your left for ground. I hear say then tier 3 comes so Charlie, then graduate 500, wait them on, they say give warning, say make you what? Make not get make the government what make not fuck up the test cry. Hey, Charlie, the way I'm born, it no be easy, Charlie, because we get people where they can't suffer give Ghana. We get people where they Charlie them now they put them and let give like talk say when our forefathers talk say Charlie this generation where they come there, they go what? They go have sympathy, then what? The Abadaye give us say Charlie, we know we go chill for the countryside. Right now see what they do, divided people, they divide we. How you go fit divide we? Because all be one. We all we grow together, we all we live together. Now you people they can't talk say they can't what? They can't divide. It is Ibiyawa big time. Ibiyawa give Ghanaians, Ibiyawa cry. But so you people, if you can say it like you tell body, you people go be the richest country or something, it no go happen. You all be one, you go take the country inside. Me no boss, so I don't go talk plenty. I talk plenty, maybe you were to talk last and I see you, I go head you know, all be what, all be laughing. Tell them we go laugh on ourselves. Laugh be the thing, laugh be the key. Laugh be the something. We divide that, everything will be yawa. We no divide that, the things go on, we help one ourselves and things. You know so things be hard but Charlie God was get we. Make I talk you another thing where they go on for social media. A man angrily beat his 7-year-old stepson to death with stick. Charlie, this thing no be easy. Hey, you know be easy cry. Some man be where he dey Italy. The Italy man where he dey no. Either he did the what them day 7-year-old son where Charlie like he be his stepson. Hey, the way they beat the boy no bro. You know be easy sister. You know be easy cry. Hey. If they beat the kid like he gets like goat way or cow way like he get away they won't beat the goat or the cow make it fall for ground make it cut in leg in neck. Hey, The man they beat the kid and things where the woman don't to know what. The woman don't know talk anything in what in the kid in mommy, you not talk anything. Where right now police people come inside. Police people come inside, they tell you the way you people they treat the kid, they know easy. The things where the kid need die. The kid need die right now with them or then give them sentence, say make them go and go spend the rest of them on honeymoon, them are married for what? Prison inside for life. You know me that thing where they do. The one way kill him to me insisto today with Charlie. If they beat them, the girl cry chop 3 years old. Oh, the kid no grow cry. Where you beat them, you first all turn blood and things. Oh, the way the man they do there. Make I talk you something. If you be man, where the kiddies know where them day no, some woman can't take kiddies can marry you are. Where the kiddies day, I for treat the kiddies like them be your own. Some men excuse me to say some men they don't get sense. If you know they love them, if you did say you don't love them, the woman, if you love the kiddies where you bring them to you, no. If you know they treat the kiddies, you be crying, maybe crying, you know go born. Maybe crying, God make you man say you and the kiddies, then things now you spy them while them grow up, they will come spy you, then something better will come house than things. But see the way they treat the kiddie, he treat the kiddie. One thing where the kiddie do, kiddies nakasa, kiddies where them come this recently, this generation, them are yes strong. And me to a demo, your kiddie demo. We were one a year strong, but it be what? The way we go do plus the kiddie, the way we go talk like the kiddie in Kananga Kramen, you say, oh you say, you go talk like the kiddie now, but you boss say, you will go take stick pan, take ship kiddie. You take a stick shoot the kiddie, the stubbornness go vanish, the stubbornness no go vanish. You see the way you kill the boy, innocent boy. You don't know what the boy can do for the world inside. Maybe the boy they can't tell president, they can't tell minister, they can't tell flamboyant lifestyle, they can't tell the next victim for the world inside. You kill him, poto, make the kid die. So right now, on the thing where you go get for this world inside, right now to the jail where they go there and be yawa. So if people where they spy me, and if you get people where Charlie, they be women where then they stay plus them or what, their husband where kiddies did them about you know. If people for advise them, they for treat them like what, they be kings and queens. If I talk them, if they do something where you know good, that for what, you go tell them some kiddies to them are years strong, but the way you go beat them, sometimes cry, you go feel make you hungry, you know go give them food, then thing, you go give them food cry, you know go give them bunch food and things, so that you go sustain them. Then they what, they train so small. Then you go talk and say, you know, give them what, you know, give them this thing. You sure they do this one, you go buy this thing. The kiddie in the mama small. So immediately you see them a weak point and things where they inside now. Everything go make what successful then things there. You and them go feel what, go feel mango then they there. Everything go make what okay. You know everything go make okay. Give them there. Everything will go on. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind. Charlie, be me now. Make I talk you something. This be celebrity yawa. This thing we have talk. I know say Charlie you tear where you now as I say take something for inside. As I say take something for inside. Make you subscribe to what Too Much GH. That be the what the channel you know. You subscribe by anything be away they go on for social media talk. And then your team be away can't drop Charlie. You mean now where I will come then can't serve you. I will talk you where there. I will make you understand what they go on for the thing inside. That's what I want to do. So all thing be I go do be make love what the prayer always what work. Pow 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 pow.
Too Much GH. Me did go say Japan. A prepare and best TV. Me share Too Much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Ojampo. Between your family the great tempo. Bring. One man come when you share Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.